I am Pankaj Sharma from PN Expert. In this video, we will learn what machine learning is, how it works, and see a simple example. Machine learning means teaching computers to learn from examples, instead of giving them a long list of exact rules. For example, you learned what a dog is by seeing many dogs, not by reading a 100-page manual. Now, let's compare traditional programming and machine learning. Traditional programming uses data and rules to get answers. Machine learning uses data and answers to discover the rules. Machine learning usually follows three basic steps. First, data collection or training. Second, finding a pattern called a model. Third, making predictions on new data. We can think of the model as a function. The input x goes into the model f, and the output y comes out. This is how the computer makes a guess. Let's do a simple math example. We want to predict house prices from the number of rooms. If one room costs $100,000, two rooms cost $200,000, and three rooms cost $300,000, we can see a pattern. The computer finds a simple rule. Price equals W times rooms. Here, W becomes 100,000. If the guess is wrong, we measure loss as actual minus guessed, squared. During training, the computer adjusts W to make the loss close to zero. That's how it learns a good model. We can think of training as turning a knob until the error gets smaller and smaller. Where do we see machine learning? In video recommendations, spam filters, and face unlock. These systems learn patterns from data and make predictions for us. So, machine learning is about learning from examples, finding a model, and using it to make smart predictions. That is the big idea. Thank you for watching.